It is Friday the 13th. We are 9 months into this camper renovation. Despite it being Friday the 13th, today I accomplished a lot. I was able to finish up the oxidation look on the back of the camper to give it that distressed vintage look. And then I moved on to sanding the side of the camper to prepare it for paint. And remarkably, we got most of the camper based out today. We still have to frame out around the top right now. We're waiting for sealant to dry. Other than the far side of the camper, we've got a base coat on the entire thing, and the windows have been painted. Oh, and true to Friday the 13th, I fell coming out of the camper. I'm okay, a little sore. Spilled some of the blue paint. And then right as I was about to finish up with a newly mixed batch of blue, the rain decided to deluge. So mad dash to clean everything up, but I was able to finish up the other window after it just sprinkled for a little while and then went away. Yeah, Friday the 13th, typical. So it's moving along. Yay. But as we always say,
always an adventure.
Always. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.